Alright guys, today I'm gonna make some grape juice, but it's not like a regular grape juice. I'm so excited because when I went to the store, look what I found. Ta-da! See? Seeded grapes. Oh my gosh. Do you know how hard it is to find anything with seeds nowadays? Everything is seedless. So when I went to the store, I saw the seeded grapes. Oh my gosh, I was so excited. Oh, it was crazy. I was so happy. So I got 3 bags. It doesn't matter if they're a little bit pricey, but I'm gonna be eating it. I don't care about the price. As long as they are good, it's good for you. I will buy it over and over. See? It's rare. Like, you don't find anything that's seeded. Because everything, watermelon, even some lemon, lime, they are seedless. Oranges, grapes, you name it. A bunch of fruits nowadays are seedless. So I was so happy and so blessed to find some seeded grapes. So we're gonna be making some juice, and I'm gonna make the juice with the seeds and without sugar. So let's do it. Yeah. Alright, I added all the grapes. See, no water. I'm not adding any water. So I got all the grapes in here. So let's go juicing. See, no water. Alright, this is done. All right, guys, this is what I wanted to show you. Um, my grape juice. If you don't find them with the seeds, if they are seedless, you can still make this juice. If you don't mind, you can still do it. So, but I like stuff. I like them with the seeds. So that's the reason I got them. But you can make the same exact juice with the one that don't have the seeds. So that's all I wanted to show you. So as you can see, no water, no sugar. See, only that's pure grapes. Let me give it a taste as always. Oh. Oh my gosh, this is good. This is delicious. But anyway, that's all I wanted to show you. That's all I wanted to show you guys. I'll see you another day. Yeah, God bless. Peace out. Ciao.